Take a look at these images. I was able to create these images using a completely free AI image generator, and as you can see, all the images look awesome. If you run a Faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, then you know how important AI images are for creating engaging and visually appealing videos. They are a great way to grab the viewer's attention, and you can also use AI images to create stunning AI videos. Now, there are multiple AI image generators out there, but the main problem is they say they are free, but they are actually not. All of the AI image generators have a daily generation limit, and once you exhaust the limit, you need to purchase their subscription. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a tool through which you can generate an unlimited number of AI images. And the best part is you can also access Flux through this image generator for free. For those who don't know, Flux has taken the internet by storm for its quality and ultra realistic images. Even Elon Musk uses Flux to power his AI image generator, Grok 2. I have been using Flux for a while, and trust me, this is the only AI image generator that is at MidJourney's level, and in some cases, it is even better than MidJourney. I am going to show you everything about this tool, so make sure you pay very close attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using is called PicLumen. I have been using this tool for more than 6 months now, and it is just unbelievably good. I had already made a video on this a few months back, and now they have added some more advanced features which we will explore today. Back then, this was free and unlimited, and still at the time of recording this video, it is still free and unlimited. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much, PicLumen, for this amazing tool. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very sleek and simple interface. Here, you can see images generated by other users, and to be honest, they look pretty awesome too. When you hover over any of the images, it will show you the prompt used, which is pretty useful for taking inspiration. Now, once you click on Create, it will take you to the main interface. This is where all the magic happens. When you click here, you will be able to see different models here, and each model serves different image needs. If you are looking for a little bit of an artistic touch on your images, then you can use this Art V1 model. Or if you are looking for ultra realistic images with minimal processing, then you can use this realistic model. If you are looking for anime images, then you can use the anime model. There are some other models too that you can try, and as you can see, it also has the Flux option, which is great. First, let's try the realistic model and generate some images. Now we need to give it a prompt here. I will give this simple prompt, as always, a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Then you can select the aspect ratio. I will choose 16.9. Then from here, you can select how many images to generate. I will keep it at 1 and then click on generate and wait for it to generate the image. And here is the output. Just look at this, folks. This looks awesome. It looks so realistic. Look at her eyes, her lips, even the skin texture is on point. I am telling you guys, this is on the same level as Flux and MidJourney, if not better. Now, to download the image, you can just download it from here, or you can click on the image, and from here you will be able to download it. As you can see, there are other things you can do with the image. You can remix, remove the background, upscale the image, and many more. All of this is for free. This is just too good. Now with PicLumen, you can also generate very realistic images of any celebrity. Let's try to generate one. I'm going to give it this prompt and click on generate, and here is the output. Doesn't it look awesome? It looks so real, it's actually scary. If you show this image to someone, I am sure they won't be able to tell this is an AI image at a glance. This is that good. And even Flux and MidJourney struggle to generate celebrity images of this quality. This is too good. Let's try more. This time I'm going to change the image model from here. Let's go with the artistic one. Then I will give it this prompt, cinematic scene of the Great Pyramid of Giza, and then hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, the image looks stunning. It really looks like a scene from an actual documentary. I know there are a few imperfections here and there, but overall it is a very good image. Now you can use PicLumen generated images and turn them into stunning videos to create historical documentaries. Let's try one more. For this image, I'm going to give it this prompt, a beautiful mermaid underwater looking at the camera, and click on generate. And here is the result. Isn't this just awesome? This looks so good, and you can also see that the prompt adherence is great. Let's try to create an animation style image. I will use the same prompt, but this time I will just add 3D animation style at the end and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. You see how easily the image style was changed, and it looks flawless. Honestly, it looks like a scene from a Disney movie. It is that good. Now just imagine the kind of content you can create using this tool. This is just outstanding. Now let's try the anime image style. I will change the image style from here, and now I will give it this simple prompt and click on generate. And here is the output. Just look at this. This is awesome. If you are an anime fan, then you will love this feature because the quality of the images is just too good. Look at this. It really looks like a scene from Beyblade. This is too good. Let's try one more. This time, let's create a Spider-Man anime image. So I will give it this prompt and hit generate. And here is the output. This looks stunning. Now you can easily create anime style images of any characters, or you can just create your own characters and generate awesome anime content. Now PicLumen also has the ability to generate text in an image flawlessly. Let's try that out. First, I will change the image model to this, and then I will give it this prompt. A beautiful woman holding a sign with the text, "Subscribe to Wealthwise." Then click on generate. Here is the output. Just look at this. It is perfect. There are no typos or any other weird morphing. Everything is nice and clear. Trust me, you will be actually surprised how good this tool works. This is straight up on the MidJourney and Flux level. PicLumen also has an image-to-image feature, which is very useful if you want to create images with consistent characters. To do that, first make sure the realistic image model is selected. Then click on this image icon and upload your image here. Once it's uploaded, select the image. Now from here, you can select whether you want to reference the image style or the character. I will choose character. Then here you can choose the face reference strength. I will change it to 0.8, but feel free to play around with this until you get your desired result. After that, you can give it a prompt. I will give it this very simple prompt and click on generate. And here is the output. You can see it looks awesome. This really looks like an actual image of her. If you show this image to someone, they won't be able to recognize that it is an AI image. Now, if you are not getting your desired result, make sure you play around with the settings until you find the right combination. You can use this feature to create awesome stories with consistent characters. Now, let me show you how you can make some changes to this image using the in-paint feature it has. To do that, first click on the image, then click on more from here, and select image in paint. After that, you should see something like this. From here, you can adjust the brush size if you want, then paint over the area that you want to change, just like I am doing. After that, you need to write here what you want to add. I will write this and click on submit, and here is the output. You can see it looks so good, and the necklace has blended with the image perfectly. Isn't this just awesome? Now you can add different elements with the help of AI, and it works like magic. And finally, let's look at the Flux feature it has. So let's change the image model to Flux. Then let's give it a prompt. I will give this simple prompt, then click on generate. Here is the output. As you can see, it looks good, but it is a typical overly processed image. Definitely not as good as the PicLumen images. But you need to keep in mind that it is the lower model of Flux. If you are using PicLumen, then I don't think you will be using the Flux model very often. But still, you can use this model to generate great animated images, which work really well in the Flux Schnell model. Let's try it. I will use the same prompt, but I will just add 3D animation style at the end and hit generate. Here is the output. You can see it looks good. Not as good as the PicLumen model, but still it is way better than any other free image generators. I am telling you guys, this tool is going to help you a lot to create awesome content. So make sure you are taking full advantage of this outstanding tool. And as of now, at the time of recording this video, it is absolutely free and unlimited. I will put the link in the description. Here is a quick video I created using images generated with PicLumen. After generating the images, I used Focal ML to turn them into videos. Here is how it looks.
In the desert sands of Giza, where time wears its ancient cloak and whispers of epochs gone by play in the arid winds, rises a testament to human ingenuity and mystery, the Great Pyramid of Giza. This colossal monument of stone, standing resiliently against the backdrop of a modern world, draws millions each year, their eyes wide with wonder, their minds racing with questions. How was it constructed? What secrets does it hold? The precision with which the stones were cut and placed, it's remarkable. Imagine the shimmering limestone casing stones reflecting the sun for miles.
Wasn't that absolutely awesome? Now, I have made various videos on how to turn images into videos like this, so you can go and check them out. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I am always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.